Okay, good morning class.
Morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm
Okay, fine. How are you, Anin? Fine. I'm good, thanks. And how are you, Daniel?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, before we start our class, let's pray together. Finish. Okay, I'm going to take your attendance, so please stay present when I call your name. Clara,
Present.
Zahira,
Present.
Anin,
Present.
Dian.
Present.
Okay. Please prepare your book. Do you have a pen?
No.
No, it's not your pen.
Okay.
Okay. So, you can see in my PowerPoint class, this one, we have an English class. And before we start our material today, so our topic today, you can see it in this picture. So, what do you think about this picture? So, what does he do every day in this picture? What do you think?
Bangun tidur.
Yes, bangun tidur. What is bangun tidur in English?
Get up.
Get up or wake up. Yes, that's great. So, what do you usually do every day or every morning? What do you usually do every morning?
I usually play my phone.
Oh, play your phone. And how about you? No, and you?
I usually brush my teeth.
Oh, brush your teeth. Okay, good job. So, what do you think about this picture? What does she do every day? Brush your teeth or brush the teeth, right? Okay, berarti dia setiap harinya menggosok gigi. So, the topic of today, or the topic for today is simple present tense. You know what is simple present tense?
No.
Okay, so today we are going to learn about simple present tense in the positive sense. Jadi kita hari ini mau belajar tentang simple present tense tapi hanya kalimat positif. Okay. When do we use simple present tense? You know, kapan kita menggunakan simple present tense itu? Kapan sih? Gak ada yang tahu? No. Okay. We use simple present tense to talk about daily activities. You know daily activities? Okay, what is kegiatan sehari-hari? Good job. And how about habits?
Kebiasaan.
Yeah, kebiasaan that's correct. And facts. Fakta. Okay. Di sini kita punya we have for example for the daily activities or habit. Jadi di sini Miss ada contoh untuk kegiatan sehari-hari atau kebiasaan. Can you repeat for after me? Sorry. I eat noodles every day. So this one is fact or habits. Habit kebiasaan. Apa kebiasaannya dia?
Makan mie.
Ya, makan mie setiap hari. And this one, for example, facts. What is facts?
Fakta.
Okay, you know sun.
Yeah.
What is sun?
Matahari.
Now, the sun
The sun
rises
rises
in the east.
in the east.
Yes. What is this? What is the meaning of this one? Artinya apa? Ada yang tahu? Adin? Yes, matahari terbit di arah timur. Oke, itu tadi adalah contoh dari simple present tense berupa facts and habits or daily activities. And this one, what's different between this sentence? Ada yang bisa bedain nggak? Perbedaan dari kata ini apa sih?
It dan it.
Yes, it dan it's with s and without s. Oke, ada lagi yang perbedaannya yang tahu?
I sama he.
Yes, I sama he ada perbedaan subjeknya ya. Ada yang menggunakan saya dan ada yang menggunakan he. So this one, if the subject is I, you, they, we, or plural like this. My teachers. Jadi kalau plural itu banyak. If the subject is I, you, they, we, or plural, we have to use verb one. Just verb one in the positive sentence of simple present tense. Jadi kalau subjeknya I, you, they, we atau plural banyak, maka hanya menggunakan kata kerja pertama. And if the subject is she, he, it, or singular, like this, my teachers, my teacher. This one is teachers. This one is teacher. We have to use verb one plus s or es. Ingat? Jadi kalau subjeknya she, he, it harus menggunakan s or es. Coba, jadi kalau s sama es contohnya gimana? Seperti kata it. What is it?
Makan.
Yes. With s, kalau subjeknya she, he, it maka akan berubah menjadi kata Go.
Goes.
Okay, and how about cook? Cooks. And how about read?
Reads.
Yes, and how about drown? Drowns, like this. Can you follow me? I eat.
I eat.
She eats.
She
Is
eats.
it different?
Yes.
Yes. You drink.
You drink.
He drinks.
He drinks.
Jadi beda ya. If the subject is he, maka kita harus menggunakan s atau drinks. Jadi s kayak eats, drinks, goes, cooks, reads, drowns. Understand? Yes. Okay, this one. Can you make me one positive sentence based on this picture? So, what does Andi do? This one is brush, right? You know brush? Yes, brush. Andi is one person, so we have to use s or es. So, gimana kalimatnya? Ada yang bisa? Raise your hand. Zair? Andi?
Andi brushes
That's it?
the teeth every day.
Okay, good job. And this one, brushes. And this one, watch. You know watch? What is watch? Yes, menonton. If the subject is they, we have to use verb one without s. Without s. Berarti tanpa s. Gimana kalimatnya ini?
They watch TV every week.
Okay, they watch TV every week. That's great. And how about you, Clara? And what does he do? Ngapain dia?
Shower.
Take a shower. So if the subject is he, gimana kalimatnya kalau subjeknya he?
He take a shower every time.
With s or without s?
S.
S ya. Berarti kata-katanya gimana? He
Take a
take no takes. Yes. Takes a shower. Karena subjeknya he maka pakai s. Harus dibaca s-nya. Takes a shower.
a shower.
Yes, that's great. And you, Dian, what do you do in the morning? You wake up
in morning.
with S or without S? Without. That's great. You are smart. And time for a quiz. Mau quiz nggak?
Yeah.
You have to. Okay, this one. What do they do in this picture? So if you can answer, I will give you a snake. Nanti saya kasih snake. Tapi kalau nggak bisa jawab, it's no problem. Okay. Atau mau dikasih coret-coret?
No.
Oke. Oke, siapa yang bisa bikin nih? Contoh nih. If the subject is this one, kita mau penggunanya verbnya play ya. My friends. Dari my friends. Siapa yang bisa? My friends. Raise your hand. Kalau my friends berarti banyak ya. Berarti gimana? With S or without S? Okay, yes.
My friends play ball every
Every
time.
every time. Okay. And this one, it's sorry. Untuk snacknya nanti ya disesi ya.
Oke.
Dia dapat satu. And coba kita lihat di bagian cook. Kalau mau ganti jadi bukan my mom tapi my parents. You know parents? What is parents? Orang tua ya. Oke. Berarti kalau orang tua ada berapa orang?
2.
Two. Jadi gimana tuh kata-katanya? Ada yang bisa? Raise your hand. If the subject is plural, we have to use just verb one. Jadi hanya menggunakan verb one. Di sini ayo, siapa yang bisa? Coba Zahira.
My parents cook
In the kitchen.
in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Every day.
Every week. Okay, that's great. Tadi bisa kasih satu, dia dapat satu, Zahira. How about you, Clara? Mau dapat snack nggak?
No.
Ada about you Adin? Coba ini deh, coba siapa yang bisa ya ngertiin dalam bahasa Inggris ya, punya Miss ya. Kucingku tidur setiap hari. Kucingku. You just have one cat. Siapa yang bisa? Raise your hand. Kucingku, my cat. Tidur setiap hari. Oke, Ani.
My cat
Ya.
sleeps every day.
Oke, my cat sleeps every day. Boleh duduk di depan ya? Oke. Sekarang satu lagi. Apa ya? Guru-guruku mengajar di kelas. Guru-guruku mengajar di kelas. My teachers mengajar di kelas. Coba Zahira deh, di depan. Oke. My cat sleeps every day. That's great. Benar. Oke. Zahira di sini. My
Miss.
Okay, sorry. Okay, my teachers. Okay. Mengajar, you know mengajar? Teach. Teach in class. Di kelas setiap hari. Di kelas aja boleh, di kelas terus setiap hari. Di kelas. Oke, thank you Zahira. Oke, di sini dari kalimat ini, my teachers teach in the class and my cat sleeps every day. Kalian menemukan perbedaan ya? Di mana perbedaannya? In the sleep and teach. Di bagian teach-nya nggak ada S, sedangkan di bagian sleep-nya ada S. Kenapa? Ayo, masih ingat tadi kenapa? Because coba lo Clara dulu, kenapa Clara ini pakai S ini enggak? Enggak tahu. Nih, kalau seandainya she, he, it atau satu benda, satu hewan, satu buah, maka kita menggunakan kata kerja pertama S or es. Kenapa dipakai S? Karena catnya satu, good job. Sedangkan teachers itu kan kalau banyak ditandai dengan ada S-nya ya. Setelah kata bendanya contoh catnya banyak, cats. Kalau sudah banyak maka nggak perlu kita tambahin S, paham? Tadi siapa aja yang dapat snack? Dia sama Zahira. Dia kan gak mau dapat snack?
No.
No. Oh, kenapa? Kenapa gak mau? Okay, that's all about our topic today, I think. Ada siapa yang bisa jawab duluan? Kita pulang duluan. Siapa yang bisa jawab pulang duluan? Mau nggak? Mau ya? Okay, before that, we have to close our class today. Let's pray together. Finish. Jadi sudah tahu ya simple present tense apa?
Ya.
Kapan digunakan tadi? To talk about daily activities, habits, and facts. Okay. So, kapan kita penggunaan S or es? When do we use S or es? After verb. If the subject is if the subject is she, singular or she, he, it. Good job. Bisa ya? Oke, bisa jawab pulang. Steknya nanti bisa kasih di bawah ya. Nanti kasih ya. Oke. Saya pergi sekolah setiap hari. Oke, Zahira? I go to school every day. Okay, good job. Prepare your book. Okay, you can go home. Bye. And ayahku bekerja di kantor setiap hari. Persiapan? Ayahku bekerja di kantor setiap hari. My dad, dia, no. Adit, no. Clara, no. Gak pulang kalian kalau nggak jawab. Ayo, siapa?
I don't care.
I don't care. Oke, boleh pulang sekarang. Oke, thank you.